Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Heaven Immigration Canada. Let's talk about the Spousal Open Work Permit pilot program. The government of Canada announced last week that this pilot program will no longer be a pilot program again, so they will make it as a permanent program. So they are converting this pilot to a permanent program. The pilot that has been allowed foreign spouses and common law partner to work in Canada is going to be a permanent program. This program was started in December 2014 and was set to expire in July 31st of 2020. And after its most recent extension, instead of setting for another expiry date, Government of Canada is now extending this program until the regulatory changes have been completed to implement the pilot as a permanent policy. So we'll find the date pretty soon when it'll be done, but as of now it's not going to expire because it's supposed to be expired yesterday on July the 31st, but from now it will be forever. So open work permit pilot program applies to the inland spousal and common law sponsorship applicants. Inland sponsorship is for couples who are already living together in Canada. The partner who is applying for immigration need to already have the temporary status in Canada as a worker, student, or a visitor. The foreign partner of a Canadian can apply for the open work permit. At the same time, they are applying for their permanent residence application under the family class sponsorship. So in order to be eligible for this immigration, candidate need to meet the following criteria. They have to submit a permanent residence application under the spouse or common law partner class, have a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident spouse or a common law partner who have submitted a sponsorship application on their behalf, live at the same address as their spouse, and have a valid temporary residence status in Canada or an approved application of restoration status with authorization to work. People applying under this pilot program can submit a work permit application at the same time they are submitting for their permanent residence application. So this is nothing new. They are just changing one of the pilot program to a permanent program. So if you are looking to submit your application and you were thinking that July 31st was a deadline, but now there is no deadline, you can still submit and it will go as usual as it used to be. So that was a little update. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you very much.